Did you know that testosterone, a crucial hormone in our body, is more than just a male hormone? It's important for both men and women, not just for muscle mass and male bravado. It plays a role in bone health, mood regulation, and much more. However, when testosterone levels drop, symptoms like fatigue, depression, poor concentration, decreased muscle mass, and low libido can occur. Get prepared to boost your health IQ and learn how to naturally maintain optimal testosterone levels. Welcome to Your Health IQ, a platform that simplifies health issues. This episode is on the fascinating dynamics of testosterone. We'll also cover the consequences of low testosterone levels and how to prevent them naturally. But before diving deeper, please note that the information we share is only for educational purposes and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a professional for health-related queries. Now, if you're ready to increase your health IQ, let's dive in. Testosterone is not just about muscle mass or aggression. It's a vital hormone that plays numerous roles in our bodies. It's the leading actor in the theater of our endocrine system, creating a symphony of effects that resonate throughout our bodies. Testosterone is the key sex hormone in males, driving the development of male growth and masculine characteristics. But did you know it's also produced in females and plays a critical role in their bodies too? It's one of several androgens or male sex hormones in women, and it helps maintain a delicate balance with estrogen for normal ovarian function and even brain health. Now let's delve into some interesting facts. Testosterone production is not a free-for-all. It's carefully regulated by the brain, meaning that high cholesterol does not necessarily equate to high testosterone levels. And while abnormally high testosterone levels in men are rare, they can lead to aggression, mood swings, and infertility. In women, the most common cause of high testosterone levels is polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, which can cause symptoms like irregular periods, excess hair growth, and weight gain. Without the flickering effect of uncertainty, let's see what happens when testosterone levels fall below the optimal range. As men age, their testosterone levels gradually decrease, leading to reduced libido, fatigue, and decreased bone strength. Women aren't exempt either. Testosterone deficiency can lead to low libido, reduced bone strength, and poor concentration in women. So, it's clear that maintaining optimal testosterone levels is crucial for our overall health, but how do we ensure this balance? Stay tuned to find out how to naturally boost your testosterone levels, debunk some common myths, and get a couple bonus tips. Remember, this information is for general education purposes, and for any health-related concerns, always consult with a healthcare professional. Now let's bust some myths about testosterone. You might have heard that testosterone is the male hormone, but it's time to set the record straight. Yes, it plays a crucial role in male development and masculine characteristics, but women produce testosterone too. It's one of several androgens, or male sex hormones, found in females, and is essential for normal ovarian function, and may even play a role in brain function. Another common myth is that only older people need to worry about low testosterone. While it's true that testosterone levels gradually decrease in men as they age, leading to symptoms such as reduced libido, fatigue, and decreased bone strength, testosterone deficiency can also affect younger individuals. Lifestyle factors like stress, lack of exercise, poor diet, and certain health conditions can lead to low testosterone at any age. So, irrespective of your gender or age, testosterone matters. Now here are the top 4 natural ways to boost your testosterone levels. Starting off with number 4, stress management. You see, chronic stress can have a negative impact on your testosterone levels. Our bodies respond to stress by producing cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with testosterone production. So if you're constantly stressed, your body might be producing more cortisol and less testosterone. To manage stress, consider incorporating practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga into your routine. These activities have been shown to reduce cortisol levels, which can help maintain your testosterone levels. Moving on to number 3, quality sleep. Sleep is more than just a time for your body to rest. It's also when your body produces most of its testosterone. In fact, research shows that people who don't get enough quality sleep often have lower testosterone levels. In one study of healthy young males, a week of sleeping less than 5 hours per night was linked to a 10 to 15% decrease, akin to aging 10 to 15 years. So, how can you improve your sleep hygiene? Try maintaining a regular sleep schedule, creating a restful environment, and avoiding caffeine and screens close to bedtime. Next up at number 2, regular exercise. resistance and high-intensity interval training are particularly effective at boosting testosterone. These types of exercises challenge your muscles, which signals your body to produce more testosterone. So, consider adding exercises like squats, deadlifts, and sprint intervals into your workout routine. And finally, at number 1, a balanced diet. What we eat can significantly impact our hormone levels, including testosterone. Foods rich in certain nutrients can help boost your testosterone levels. For example, eggs are a great source of vitamin D, which is important for testosterone production. Fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, provide omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to increased testosterone levels. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are high in magnesium, another key nutrient for testosterone production. Cocoa products, avocados, pomegranates, and oysters are other foods known to boost testosterone. However, be wary of overconsumption of processed foods and alcohol, as they can lower your testosterone levels. Remember, boosting testosterone naturally is not a quick fix. It's about making long-term lifestyle changes. With some dedication and patience, you can improve your testosterone levels and enjoy the benefits of better health and well-being. And here are 2 bonus tips to help you in your journey of boosting testosterone naturally. First, let's talk about your personal care routine. Did you know that certain plastics, cosmetics, and cleaning products contain harmful chemicals, such as bisphenol A or phthalates, that can act as endocrine disruptors? Yes, these pesky chemicals can interfere with your testosterone production. So it's high time to scrutinize the ingredient list on your personal care items. Aim for products free from endocrine-disrupting chemicals to keep your testosterone levels healthy. Now let's move on to the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D. It's not just good for your bones, but it's also crucial for your testosterone. Spending about 20 to 30 minutes in the sun, maybe while gardening or walking 2 to 3 times a week, may increase your testosterone levels over time by as much as 300%. This is because the p53 gene in your skin cells triggers your pituitary gland and hypothalamus to release hormones, LH and FSH, that boost your testosterone levels. But remember, always use sunscreen and wear protective clothing to prevent wrinkles or skin cancer. So, don't underestimate the power of these simple yet effective bonus tips. To sum it up, testosterone plays a crucial role in our bodies, and it's important to maintain its optimal levels. We've explored the importance of this vital hormone, debunked some common myths, and provided some simple, natural ways to boost your testosterone levels. Remember, managing stress, getting quality sleep, regular exercise, and a balanced diet are key ways to maintain healthy testosterone levels. We also touched on the importance of avoiding harmful chemicals and the positive impact of sun exposure. Implementing these natural methods can make a significant difference, but it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns about your testosterone levels. Remember, it's not just about boosting testosterone, it's about leading a healthier, more balanced life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Your feedback matters to us, so don't hesitate to comment below, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join the Your Health IQ community. We've got a lot more health-related content coming your way. Don't miss out on our affiliate links in the video description that can help you optimize your testosterone levels naturally. And why not continue your health journey by clicking on another video on the screen? Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep upping your health IQ.